We are on lesson 7, same perimeter, different area. Last time we did same area, different perimeter. So now we're doing the opposite. Before you go any further, please look at the learning goal and rate yourself. Circle your rating once you've done that. And let's get started. So draw two rectangles with the given perimeter. All right, so my perimeter is 24 inches. All right, so what I'm going to do is I know the perimeter is the length plus the width plus the length plus the width, right? So 24 is equal to length plus width plus length plus width, right? And remember, your lengths and widths have to be the same, all right? So you need two lengths, a length and a length, and two widths that are the same number that add up to 24. So let's try 2 and 4, okay? So let's do my length is 2 and my width is 4, all right? Because my lengths and widths have to be the same. So is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Well, 6 and 6 is 12, so that doesn't work. So my numbers need to be bigger, all right? Let's think of other numbers. Let's do 3 and 8. 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8, because my lengths and widths have to be the same. 3 and 8 is 11. 3 and 8 is 11. So 11 plus 11 is 22. Whoop, almost there. So let's try another one. Let's try 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 12 and 12 is equal to 24. So one possible way I could do this would be 8 by 4 inches. Now, let's try another one. Let's try it when my width is 1. 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 is 2. So I need two more numbers that will get me to 22, because 1 and 1 is 2. Well, what about 11? 1 plus 11 plus 1 plus 11. That's equal to 24. Now you might see a pattern here. 4 and 8 is equal to 12. 1 and 11 is equal to 12. So an easy way to do this is if you take the perimeter and you divide it in half and find two numbers that equal that, you'll find the perimeter. So let's write that down. Take 1/2 of the perimeter, and then the next thing you're going to do is find two numbers that add up to 1/2 of the perimeter. And those two numbers will be your length and your width. Make sure you wrote that down in your notes because that will really help you. So let's try another one. Let's use our steps we used earlier. Take half of the perimeter. Well, 40, a half of that, or divide it by 2. Let's see, how many 2's are in 4? 2, multiply, subtract, bring down, divide, multiply, subtract. All right, so half of 40 is 20. So I need two numbers that add up to 20. Well, what about 15 and 5? That would give you a perimeter of 40, because 15 plus 15 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 40, right? So it'd be 5 meters and 15 meters. Let's do another one. So again, two numbers that add up to 20. What about 2 and 18, right? So 2 plus 2 plus 18 plus 18, that would give you 40. Right? Let's try another one. So 20, remember our directions. Take half of the perimeter and find two numbers that add to that. So half of 20 would be When I half something, I'm dividing, right, because fractions are really division. 2, how many 2's are in 2? 1. Multiply, subtract, bring down. How many 2's are in 0? 0. Multiply, subtract, got nothing. So 2 numbers that add up to 10. 8 and 2. Those add up to 10. 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, that's equal to 20, right? If I were to use the perimeter. Let's do another one. Numbers that add up to 10. 1 and 9. 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9. That would give me a perimeter of 20 centimeters. All right, let's solve this problem. Alex is building a rabbit pen with 24 feet of fence. What rectangle can he build that has the greatest possible area? So we're going to start with perimeter. We have 24 feet of fence, and fence goes around, so that's my perimeter. Remember, we take half of the perimeter so we can find what the sides are, right? And half of 24 is 12. So I need numbers that add up to 12. Well, 1 plus 11, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 9, 4 plus 8, 5 plus 7, and 6 plus 6, and then we would do 7 plus 5, but that would be the same, right, because commutative property. So I know my area would be length times width, right? Well, if my length and my width was 1 and 11, my area would be 11 for here. 2 times 10, my area would be 20. 3 times 9, my area would be, 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 8, my area would be 32. 5 times 7, the area would be 35. And 6 times 6, the area would be 36. So the best possible arrangement would be a 6 by 6 pen for Alex's rabbit to have the greatest possible area. Here are your 3 homework problems for tonight. So you need to draw me 2 shapes for each that have the given perimeter, all right? So 32 feet, 14 feet, and 18 inches. And here's your word problem. Miss Jemison is building a fence for Riley. The fence is 30 feet. What rectangle can she build for Riley that has the greatest possible area? Once you finish that, go ahead and revisit your learning goal and rate yourself, please. And once you rate yourself, please put a triangle around it. Thank you so much for your hard work.